everyone, ScrumptiliciousAsian here, and today I'll be unboxing the white blood cell, or neutrophil, from the series Cells at Work. Yeah, this is number 979, and here's what the box looks like on the outside. An interesting thing, that the sticker is actually from a different company instead of like the regular shiny sticker. So something to look out for. I don't know if other authentic ones have different stickers, but you know, this is what mine looks like. So if you get one like this, don't worry, could still be an authentic figure. But yeah, all right, let's get into the unboxing. So, hey, post ScrumptiliciousAsian here. I forgot to say in the video, but please subscribe. I am trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and you subscribing will help me a lot. Also, to all my already subscribed people, thank you so much. It does help the channel a lot, and remember to leave a like and a comment. Thank you. Back to the video. Like I said, oh wait, I forgot. This one I did, this is another pre-owned one I used to own, or I did put away for moving, and I don't remember why I opened it from the bottom, but here we go. Color of the inside is about like a pale grayish, bluish, so you know, something to look out for. Let's see. I'll have a quick look at that while I show my face. Let's see. Again, instructions and accessories you get. Into actually showing up what he is. And again, remember, this is a pre-owned one, so everything might not be exactly the same as you get, but you should be getting generally the same stuff. So here he is, with his stoic face. You know, head's tiltable. Is this raisable if I remember? Or is that the other one only? Or how do you do it? Oh, okay. So you can take this one off, and of course you can put on this. And if I remember, it's when this pops up whenever, what do you call it? A germ or a virus or a bacteria of some sort is in the body and he senses it, or when it's nearby of him. I don't remember if it's on the top of his head and it pops up or in the back. I want to say it's on the back because I know they can put stuff on top, so they probably did actually follow this correctly, which is cool. Always great to see. You know, little bloody hands from killing a germ recently, or bacteria. Good quality, I gotta say. He's got like his little knives on his pants and such. Let's see if we can get this actually in view. Yeah, right there. Body. The back of him, I don't know why, but it's like a little rough. Could be for multiple reasons. Could be a manufacturing defect. Just something to look out for. He is number 1146. I think that's his unit number? Not unit number. I think his number, if I remember. Nice twistable arms, legs. Alright. You can hang out here, I guess. So yeah. So you do get two of these types of warnings. One is when it's up, and one when it's down. What else? Let's see what else he gets. So he's got a face when he's in combat mode, and also a face when he's happy or relaxing, when he's drinking tea, probably. He's got his little knife. It actually is shiny, huh? They actually made it shiny, so it's silver. Pretty cool. What is this? Oh, this is like the, let's see if I can actually put it together. This is like the slashing effect if he's slashing against a virus of some sort, and yeah, you can. So it's like that. And of course, the different types of hands and feet. Is there much of a difference? Oh, so these are like if he's bent and like kind of running. These are if he's kind of standing. Different hand types, so you can have him as like an open palm of some sort. Yep. So not too many different accessories with him, but he's very nice looking. I still like it a lot. I like the series a lot, so if you haven't watched it yet, I do recommend it. There's 2 seasons and like a 3rd season, and of some sort, like a spin-off series that's not part of the main one. And you know, there's nice following. It's trying to give your cells a personality. So yeah, let me put them together and I can finally show them off. Remember, if you do get this as a pre-owned one, try to make sure to get this little stand holder like that. So remember, if you get this pre-owned, get the stand and the sign also. They are part of it. And let me see if I can make sure you guys can see it like that. Make sure you get those both. And there he goes, fully assembled. And there we go. I'm zooming in. All right, let's start the showcase for him. Thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far, consider subscribing for more of my figure videos. Also, leave a like and a comment on what you think of this Nendoroid, and remember, thick thighs is lives.